In a world where luxury meets precision, Ebel stands as a quiet icon. This year, the Swiss Maison breathes new life into a design classic. Meet the Ebel 1911 Chronograph Ice Blue, a watch that perfectly blends timeless elegance with sporty sophistication. First introduced in 1986, the 1911 line became famous for its hexagonal case with exposed screws, and that signature DNA shines here. Crafted in stainless steel, the 44mm case balances polished bevels and brushed planes, giving the watch depth and light play from every angle. The 5 polished bezel screws are pure Ebel heritage, strong, confident, and unmistakably architectural. The star of the show? This ice blue galvanic sunray dial, cool, crisp, and effortlessly contemporary. The warm brown chronograph counters add contrast, while gunmetal-plated indexes and the signature "E" logo echo the case's metallic tones. And when the lights go low, white superluminova keeps things legible and luminous. Inside beats the reliable Sellita SW510-1, a automatic chronograph, ticking at 28,800 vibrations per hour with a 48-hour power reserve. Through the sapphire caseback, you'll see purposeful engineering rather than showy decoration, a true reflection of the 1911's sport elegant spirit. With its steel bracelet or black perforated calf strap, the Ebel 1911 Chronograph Ice Blue adapts effortlessly from boardroom to beach. At €3,950, it's a refreshing take on a Swiss classic, just in time to make us dream of summer skies again. The Ebel 1911 Chronograph Ice Blue, where precision meets pure cool.